Stop that. Yeah, I hear him chat to the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man so tough, but mans keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize. White girls let her tell me I'm awesome. Yeah, hot like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch man, please use caution. Cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in a cage, I'ma let out the. Wake up, get out the sheets. We came for one man, forget my peace. You take the west side, take on the east. Cage never let out the. I hear him chat with the boys. Man's keep walking, yeah. Just too sharp with the prize. Let her tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch man, please use caution.
Hi guys! Welcome to my wedding day!
Congratulations!
Thank you!
These dreams we're holding, oh, and now we know it. All the world is ours to take. You and me,
Welcome!
oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today. This adventure we will never. Every day is a chance to discover. You give me a reason through every season. Together we can do anything.
Para sa inyong dalawa, ang inyong pinapangako o ipapangako sa hapong ito ay maaaring magbago sa kinabukasan at muling mapagkasunduan sa hinaharap. Pagkatapos ang gawain ito, kayo ay kikilalanin bilang mag-asawa. Subalit, ito'y hindi wakas, kundi pasimula pa lamang ng isang bagong buhay.
Wonder that awaits.
To whom it may concern. Last na to, bow. To my treasured blessing. Happy birthday and happy wedding day. This is it. See you later. Enjoy everyone. Scary. Sabi ko motor rin lang. May laman yan. Sana may laman. Naku, piso. Ay, mahal, thank you so much for your gift. You know what I need. I really need this. Sira na yung wallet ko. See you later. Love you. Sabi niya, love you.
How sweet! Sana Open the gift. Open
Okay.
the gift.
Okay, may letter. Hi Mahal, this bag is for you. And don't this espresso. Your value in my life. I have it all really. All I need is in you. I love you, my treasured blessing. Yes. Sirain ko na ba? Ganda.
Baka may pera.
Hindi, wala yan. nasa akin yung pera eh. Joke lang. Ganda ng bag. Thank you, mahal. Gusto ko yung energy mo dyan.
Ang pag-ibig na inyong susumpaan ngayon ang magpapatingkad ng inyong pagsasama sa hinaharap. Ito rin ang magpapalakas kung sakaling kayo dumadaan sa pagsubok ng buhay. Kaya't ang pagdiriwang na ito ang simula ng bagong buhay sapagkat mula ngayon ay hindi na dalawang magkahiwalay na pangarap at mithiin. Hindi na rin magkaibang lakbayin kundi isa na. Importanteng huwag mawawala si Jesus sa inyo. Marriage doesn't take two people. It takes three. You cannot have good marriage if God is not the center of it.
Now, it may sound like a plan, pero ang totoo, kasama ko si Lord na naging outcome ng planong ito. Totoo na pag si Lord ang inuna mo, bibigay niya yung the best sa'yo. Madaming mabubuting nangyari sa buhay ko over the years, pero ikaw, ang pinaka-the best and beautiful blessings ko.
Ikaw na anak, napakabait mo sobra. Isa kang anak na malalahanin sa magulang.
No.
Mahal ka namin anak. At saka huwag ka magbago kahit may asawa ka na.
Yeah.
Anak, huwag mo kaming kalimutan.
Mama, mamaya pa ako iiyak. Wala ako ngayon dito sa mundo kung hindi dahil sa kanila. Mama, Papa, kayo yung pinakamagandang regalo sa akin ni Lord. Buong pamilya ko. Hello! Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Happy birthday at
Ay, birthday ko nga pala ngayon.
birthday at happy wedding. Yun lang. At saka God bless sa inyong pag-iisang dibdib. Salamat ako sa iyo at ikaw ay naging mabait na anak. Yun lang. Ayaw ko umiyak.
Sa iyo, anak ko, ay happy birthday at happy wedding sa iyo. Sana ay maging matagumpay ka sa iyong pagpapamilya. Alam ko naman na makakapag-undar ka ng isang masaya at matagumpay na pamilya.
Amen. To my mother, I'm always thankful that you became my mother. I'm always respecting you and remembering all the lesson learned that you've taught me during my child days until up to this day. I am thankful that you are my mother and I am going to create mine. Thank you, Daddy, kasi taught us a lot of things during our childhood days. Nadala namin yun. Lumaki kaming maayos kasi. Salamat sa pagpapalaki niyo sa amin. It's not a perfect family, but what we're seeing is always lesson and teachings that we accommodated and so alalahanin namin lagi. At i-apply sa aming family.
Thank you na happy wedding.
Kaya po, importante na si Kristo ang nasa sentro ng ating buhay. Halimbawa, po, kung si Kristo ang nasa center natin, doon ka man, dito ka man, dito ka man, dito ka man, dito ka man, nandun pa rin siya. Ang focus mo ay nasa Panginoon pa rin.